Imagine walking through a forest at midnight right after a massive thunderstorm. The air is heavy, the ground is soaked, and suddenly, the wood beneath your feet begins to glow. No, you haven't stepped into a fantasy movie. This is real science. Welcome to the world of post-lightning bioluminescence. Meet the stars of our show, bioluminescent fungi. While they glow naturally, many hikers swear they shine brighter after a storm. Is it magic? Not quite. It's chemistry. At the heart of this glow is a molecule called luciferin and its partner in crime, the enzyme luciferase. When they meet oxygen, they create light without heat, the ultimate energy-efficient bulb.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
So why the lightning boost? Science points to a few theories. First, lightning actually fixes nitrogen in the air. Creating a natural fertilizer that rains down on the forest. This nutrient surge can kick the fungi's metabolism into overdrive. According to research published in the Journal of Photochemistry and Photobiology, mechanical stress, like the literal vibration of thunder, can also trigger a glow response as a defense mechanism. But why glow at all? It's a survival tactic. By shining bright after a storm, these fungi attract nocturnal insects that have just emerged from cover. The bugs crawl over the glowing gills, pick up spores, and carry them to new parts of the forest. It's basically a neon eat here sign that helps the fungus reproduce. Talk about a brilliant marketing strategy. Nature never wastes a good storm. Next time you're safely indoors during a thunderstorm, remember that for some, the party is just getting started. If you could have any part of your body glow in the dark, which would it be and why? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to stay curious.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.